So how to use Deco My Tree app. So here is a new viral app during Christmas. It's called Deco My Tree. Here it is. You can just find it like that. And yeah, here it is. You can find it here. You can just also update it because honestly, it's a bit glitchy. Sometimes some people can't log in. Hopefully it won't be an issue for you. But basically, yeah, the idea is with this app, you can just send anonymous messages. So yeah, you just send anonymous messages to each other, and you put these messages as gifts on a tree. And then your friends send you these messages, and then you can open this tree during Christmas. So that's basically the idea. So let me show you a detailed explanation. So here it is. Here is the app. So yeah, you can just go in here.
Today,
Here,
I
as you can
unexpectedly.
see, there are some a bit annoying ads because there is only a free version, as I understand at the moment. So you can't upgrade, so you need to watch ads here. And then basically, yeah, here it is. You just go in here, you create your account, and then in top left you have a timer. So this timer is basically a countdown to Christmas. So yes, that's just what it is. And then basically you have your tree, you create your tree, and then here you have all these little Christmas decorations. If you tap on it, you can see that these are actually different messages from people. You can see from who this message is, but yeah, you can also see from advertiser some ads, but you can't open these messages. You can only open them on Christmas. And then you just copy a link to share, or you can just share your link with a screenshot, and then you just copy a link, and then let me just show you. So for example, then you can just go to Snapchat. For example, let me just create a test snap, and then you just entering your URL here, like Deco My Tree. You will see your URL. You just attach it to your snap, and then you just put it to your stories, for example, and then basically that's what it is. And then you can see your pub story, which is this, and then you just open it up. So these are your friends who will open it up, this link, and then they can just tap start decorating, and this way they will just kind of leave a message on your tree. So this is your friend, and then they can just leave a message here as they want. So that's what it is, and then you just tap decorate in the bottom. Then you can also select to make this message visible to everyone with this link, or just for the person you're leaving the message, and then eventually this message will appear here. So that's the idea of the app. So it's very similar to like NGL app, or NGL app, or some other anonymous apps. So then there are settings. You can also create your tree private, so only you can see it. You can delete your account. Some of the messages you can also delete. I mean, all of the messages you can just go and delete here. And that's basically it. You can't upgrade again. So this app is only can be used with ads. So basically that's the idea. That's how you use it. It's available on Android as well. So try it out.